Hey, my name's Zach, and I wanted to show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Now over in Photoshop right now, I have an image that I scanned. Actually, I had a pretty big catch last night. So, as you can see, I'm standing here with a fish. And I scanned this image into my computer. But now what I want to do is make it the proper size to print on an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So what I'll do is make sure this layer is selected, make sure I have the Move tool selected, and hit Control T. Now you can see little boxes pop up around. Now what I can do first, actually, is just click and drag out and up. I can move my image up like this. And we can even zoom out. We'll hit Apply first. Go back to the Move tool, hit Control T, and pull it a little bit larger. So it fits the canvas exactly. And it's as easy as that. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.